All right, guys, this is episode 6. We're talking about inequalities, and inequalities are these two symbols. You have your less than symbol, and you have your greater than symbol. So these are a list of some words that mean less than. And one thing to always remember is that less than makes an L. That's the best way to remember less than, is that it makes an L. So some words that mean that would be less than, under, fewer, least, minimum. And greater than doesn't make an L, and those are some words like over, more, greatest, and maximum. So what we're going to talk about is how to write this as like algebra symbols. So for example, if I wrote x less than 5, what this means is any number less than 5 would be the answer for x. So I'm going to write, this means any number less than 5. And if I would draw this on a number line, I would draw a little number line here. And I would have 5. And which way, oh, sorry, can't see. Which way are the numbers that are, what are some numbers less than 5? Anybody, call them out. Yeah, somebody said negative right away. Very good. -1, -2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 0, negative a million. Those are all numbers less than 5. So which way do you think my arrow is going to point? To the left or to the right? To the left. Very good. That's where the less than numbers go. All right, so same thing for the greater than. If I want to write x is greater than 4, what this means is any number greater than 4. So any number greater than 4. And that would include a lot of numbers. So some numbers that are bigger than 4 would be like 5, 6, 7, 11, 20 million, 21, 31. Those are all numbers that are bigger than 4. So my arrow is going to go to the left or to the right? To the right. If this one goes left, this one, all the numbers that are bigger than 4 are going to go that way. They're going to go to the right. So then there's one more type of inequality that you guys may have seen before, and that's where they have a little line underneath it. So for example, if you have x is less than with a little line, that means or equal to. Y'all seen this before? Yes or no? Anybody? Yes? Okay, good. So this means any number, I know I'm recording fast, any number less than or equal to 5. Okay? Any number less than or equal to 5. So for example, is the number 5 less than or equal to 5? You guys would say yes. The number 5 is the number 5. So when you're graphing this on a number line, you make your little circle dark. You shade it in. This means the answer is also 5. And then it's any number less than 5. So hopefully you'll see the difference here. Whenever there's not a line underneath it, the circle is open. Whenever there is a line underneath it, that means it includes that number. So 5, it includes that number. Okay? The same thing is true when you have a number that is greater than or equal to. So x is greater than or equal to 4. This means any number greater or equal to 4. Okay? I guess this would be like if you were to go to Six Flags and it says you need to be 20 you need to be 4 years old or over to be on this ride. If you are 4, could you be on that ride? Yes, because you are 4. It's any number that is 4 or over or more. So like if you were 5 years old, you could go on the ride, or 6 or 7. And so that's what it means here. And so how you would graph that again is you would have an closed circle because you're including that number. You include that number. If you don't want to include that number, then you would make it with an open circle. Okay? All right, so these are the basics for inequalities. We're going to practice this week. This will be our next topic that we're going to be learning about, is inequalities. And that's it. There's no whisk. There's no summary for this video. Be sure you copy down all the notes here completely with the examples. And be sure to write down the words that include that as well.